Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick little meal prep slash cook with me, and I'm going to be showing you guys one of my meals that I like to prep that's really easy for me, and you know, that's really good for you. So I'm going to be making my ground turkey and peppers little scramble that I do, and I typically make it with brown rice, except for today I don't have any brown rice. We're going to be using this quinoa tricolor quinoa. My mom actually got this for me quite a while ago, and it's just the boil in the bag one. So this is how they look. So we're going to be using these today, and it just looks like this. I already have it over here boiling on the stove, so we're going to go ahead and get the ground turkey browning, and I'm going to be putting some chopped onion in there, Creole seasoning. We also have some garlic powder. You can put whatever seasonings that you want. These are the three that I like to use. I also have a red and green pepper that I'm going to be putting in there. So this is the ground turkey that I usually get. I get mine from Aldi's. I actually really like their Fit and Active one. This is how the quinoa turned out once I drained all the water. So I'm about to empty it from the bags and mix it in with our ground turkey, which is now completely and thoroughly cooked. The peppers are cooked in really nicely. It smells really good. So now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when we mix it all together. Guys, so this is how it looks. Looks pretty good. Looks healthy. That is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this cook with me slash meal prep with me type of video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.